I'll show you how to resolve error 521. Web server is down on Google Chrome and Firefox in Windows 11. Open a web browser. Open any web browser available on your computer, for example, Google Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Visit an alternative search engine. If you're unable to access google.com, navigate to another search engine, like ask.com or yahoo.com. Search for regional Google versions. In the search bar of the alternative search engine, type Google, followed by the name of a country. Examples: Google UK, google.co.uk, Google Canada, google.ca, Google India, google.co.in, access the regional Google website. Click on the search result for the regional version of Google. For example, google.co.in for Google India. Test search functionality. Try performing a search on the regional Google site to check if it works properly. Set the regional Google page as your home page. Optional. Copy the URL of the regional Google page. Open Google Chrome or your preferred browser. Click on the three-dot menu, top right corner, and select Settings. Scroll down to the On Startup section. Select Open a specific page or set of pages and click Set Pages. Paste the copied URL into the field and click OK. Reopen the browser to verify close, and reopen your web browser to ensure the regional Google page loads as your home page. Use the regional Google page temporarily. Continue using the regional version of Google until the issue with the original Google website is resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.